Hi, we've had a couple of issues with students taking control in a meeting, i.e. muting others and throwing others out the lesson. So just to show you how to do that, the easiest way is, I hope you're all actually scheduling your meetings in your calendar. So I'm going to schedule my Year 10 Physics next week. So new meeting, the top right hand corner here. This is Year 10 Physics. Okay. It's my Year 10 Physics class. Hope you can find it down here. Excuse me. Year 10 Physics, I need general. Okay. This is going to be, sorry, I'm going to do it for next Monday, sorry, at 9 o'clock. Okay, and there's my meeting. Okay, now if I go to next week now, so it's the meeting, so let's see if we can find it. Okay, so that's Monday, that's my physics meeting. If I click on that, now you'll notice there's some more options at the top here. So this meeting option, so if I click meeting options, now this is going to open a new window. And if we go down here, who can present? Well, basically that means who can take control of the meeting. Now at the moment it's everybody. If I go down to only me and save that, that means now that when I open that meeting, so next week when I go to this meeting, the students cannot take control of that. So you need to schedule your meetings in the calendar. I do that if I was you anyway. If I go back and I want to do that every week, so I'm going to change that to repeat weekly. Okay, so I'm meeting my Year 10 Physics at 9 o'clock every Monday, and now I will be in total control of that meeting. They cannot mute or change anybody's settings. Okay, fairly simple.